Hey guys, with so much uncertainty in our everyday lives, just know that you can count on Wayside Garage. We have been in business for 80 years. We're 3 generations strong, serving the Monterey County and beyond. And we are continuously evolving and growing with our customers' best interest at heart. In everything that we do, we always put our clients first. We're deeply grateful for the continued support of our clients and our community in our family business. And to serve our community even better, we've partnered with our local Costco and America's Tire to be their preferred automotive repair shop, helping keep our community and our clients safe on the road and their vehicles lasting as long as possible with peace of mind is what keeps us going. If you're ready for the automotive experience of a lifetime, give us a call and we'll take great care of your vehicle and you. Our phone number is 831-899-2425, and we are ready to assist. You can also schedule online at waysidegarage.com. We've tried to make the experience as convenient as possible for everyone's everyday life. So cheers from Wayside Garage and our team, and we look forward to serving you in the future.